Proteus MMX uses a number of icons for functions which should be easily recognizable in the MMX toolbar. Hover your cursor over the icon to display the icon name. Some of the icons used throughout the system are Create New, Copy, Edit the selected record, View a record that is selected, Delete the selected record, Change the status of the selected asset, Create a work order on the selected record, Export records, Print the selected records, select all the records on this page and clear the selection, select all records in the whole file and clear the selection, clear all. Column width will allow the user to widen columns for display purposes. For additional icons, please refer to your icon quick reference card and your user manual.